Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to do screen mirroring from your phone Samsung Galaxy A53 with any Android TV. First of all, in your phone, go to settings. Then open connections. Then tap on mobile hotspot and tethering, and here just select mobile hotspot and turn on this button. Okay, mobile hotspot is created. Now click over mobile hotspot, and if you would like to set your password, click on password and select security and select WPA to personal and set your password of your choice with minimum 8 characters. Okay, the minimum character should be 8. Okay, I don't need any password. I don't want to set a password because connecting with password will take somewhat longer time. So as I am going to show a demo to you, I don't want to set a password. So after setting up your password, just go to home screen and go to TV in your phone and open settings in your TV. Go to settings of your TV here and go to additional settings here and click on network and internet here and turn on Wi-Fi. You will receive the signal from your TV. Just click it and your TV will be connected to your phone through hotspot. Now come to your phone and go to Google Play Store and search Google Home. Search term Google Home and install Google Home app. Just wait few seconds for downloading and installing. Yes, it is being downloaded. Just wait. 78% downloaded, 81%, 100 completed, installing, going on. Just wait. Yes, click on open now and you will find get started. Click it and click on next. Give permission if it is asking and select email ID for connecting it with your Google Home app. Okay, Google Home app need at least one email ID. Select if you have any multiple email ID here. Okay, and click on OK and give permission. Click next, give permission and click next, then give permission. Now it is important to important step. This is important step. It is important to not to turn on Wi-Fi. Okay, don't turn on Wi-Fi. If you turn on Wi-Fi, what will happen? Already created mobile hotspot will be disconnected. Okay, so don't do it. Instead, just to close this Google Home app and again open Google Home app from either Google home page or Google Play Store and directly go to devices and you will find TV signal here. Just click it on right TV and click on cast my screen and click on cast the screen and click on start now. Your phone screen will be mirrored to TV. See what is displaying in my phone screen, that is also displaying in my TV. If you would like to adjust the volume, what you have to do is use this dot. Okay, this white circle, move it in the clockwise direction to increase volume. Okay, move it in the anti-clockwise direction for decreasing volume. Okay, yes, volume is now decreased. Okay, in this way you can also control volume. And I go to home screen. So whatever I open in my phone screen, that will also available in my TV. Okay, I have opened now. I am going to open this gallery, and there's also is in my TV. I am opening photo. Okay, see, that's also displaying in my TV. So in this way you can easily do screen mirroring from your phone to any Android TV. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.